Hi guys, this is Mr. Prince Maths and Science class, and in this video I'll be talking about Roman numerals. So first of all, I'm going to be listing out the basic Roman numerals you need to know. The first one is I. I is 1. V is 5. X is 10. L is 50. C is 100. D is 500. And the last one, M, is 1000. So one thing you need to note is that the order in which each Roman numeral are written out, when a big Roman numeral is written before a small one, you add up the both. But if a small Roman numeral is written before a big one, you subtract from each other. For example, I'm gonna give you an example. We have XL and LX. Okay? XL and LX. Sorry. Okay? We see that X is 10 and L is 50. Okay? And we see that L is 50 here and X is 10. So in the first one, XL, you see that X is the smaller one, which is 10. X is written before L. So in this case here, we'll do 50 minus 10, which is 40. Okay? And then this one right here, we add it up because L is 50 and it's written before X, which is 10. So that's 50 plus 10. That one is 60. Okay? So note the order in which each Roman numeral is written out. A big Roman numeral is written before a small one, you add it up. If a small Roman numeral is written before a big one, you subtract it. But first of all, before we go further into the video, I'm going to list out the Roman numerals from 1 to 10, and then I'm going to give some examples. Okay, so we already know that I is 1, I is 2. Okay, I is 3, IV is 4, V is 5, VI is 6, VII is 7, VIII is 8, IX is 9, X is 10. Now you remember the rule I talked about. We can see it in the case of IV and VI. Okay, we know V is 5 and I is written before 5. IV in the order is I am 1 is written before 5. Okay, that's 5 minus 1 equals 4, and this one 6. 5 plus 1 equals 4. So we get that right now. So now I'm gonna do some examples, and then we'll move into much complex ones. So the first example I'll be given will be XIV, which I'm going to show right now. Okay, example 1. We have XIV. Okay, X is 10, I is 1, V is 5. Okay, So we have 10 plus 1, 10 plus 5 minus 1. Remember, IV is 4, or we can just say 10 plus 4. So for XIV, we have 14. Sorry, we have 14. Okay, and number 2, we have VIII. Okay, V is 5 and III is 3. We know that already. So that is 5 plus 3. That's 8. Okay, and then the next example is XXVII. XXVII. This is 10. This one is 10. This one is 10. This one is 5. But let's basically say this one is 7, just to make it easier. So that is 10 plus 10 plus 7. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 7, that gives us 27. Okay, number 4, we have XLV. Okay, and I said it already that when you are writing the smaller number, the smaller Roman numeral from before the bigger one, you subtract. We know L is 50, we know X is 10, so that we know that's 40. So let's just write it for simple clarification. It's 50 minus 10 plus 5, so that's 45. Okay, and then we have number 5, that is CCXIV. CCXIV. This is 100. This other one is 100. So let me write down 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 4. Okay, 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 10 is 210. Plus 14 is 214. Okay. So now I want to do more bigger numbers. We're gonna do more bigger numbers now. So the next example we are going to be doing is going to be CM. Okay, CM, CCXCIV, and CLXXV. Okay. Okay, CM. Number 6. C is 100, M is 1000, and we already know we are subtracting from each other. That will be 1000 minus 100, which will be 900. Okay, and then number 7 is CCXCIV. That will be 100 plus 100 plus 100 minus 10 plus 4. Okay, 100 minus 10 is 90. 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 90 is 290 plus 4, that's 294. And then another example I'm going to do, number 8, will be CLXX. V. Okay, so that is 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 5. So when we add it up, 100 plus 50, 150 plus 20, 170. 170 plus 5 is 175. Okay. Number 9. We have CCLV. That is 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 5. 200, that's 250, that's 255. Okay, and then number 10, let me just put this last one. So MDCCV, that's 1000 plus 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 5. So 1000 plus 500 is 1500 plus 200, and that's 1700 plus 5, that's 1705. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to be working on is converting numbers to Roman numerals. Converting numbers to Roman numerals. So we're going to do converting of numbers. Converting numbers to Roman numerals. Okay, so the first example I'm going to be doing will be 37. So let's split 37 into 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and we know 10 is x, right? And 5 is v. I is 1, I is 1. And what do we have here? We have x, 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 v, I. Number 2, we have 49. We do 50 minus 10. Let's just split that way. Plus 10 minus 1. So we already know that 50 minus 10 is 40, which will give us XL. Okay, and then 10 minus 1 is 9, and 9 will give us IX, as we already know. So 49 will be XL IX. Number 3, 64. Okay, so 64 is 50 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1. Okay, 50 is L, 10 is X. 5 minus 1 is 4. We know 4 is IV. So our final answer is LXIV. Okay. So I'm going to do 2 more examples before I wrap up the video. So the next example will be 250. Just want to move it to a bigger number. So we'll do 250. Number 4. 250. So 250 is 100 plus 100 plus 50. This one is pretty easy. This is C. We already know 100 is C. C. 50 is L. Okay. So we get C, C, L. And number 5, the last example for this video. Let's do this here, 2025. So let's break it down. We have 1000 plus 1000 plus 10 plus another 10, then plus 5. Okay. 1000 is M. 10 is X. 5 is V. So what do we have here? The answer we have here is M, M, X, X, V. Okay. So that will be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.